In 2025, Apple has once again stunned the world. But this time, it's not just an evolution, it's a revolution. The M5 MacBook Pro is more than a laptop. It's a technological earthquake that's shaking the very core of the computing world. Apple's latest MacBook Pro, powered by the new M5 chip, brings performance, intelligence, and design together in a way no one thought possible. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the M5 MacBook Pro, its jaw-dropping specs, futuristic features, Apple's Silicon M5 performance metrics, redesign, AI capabilities, and how it's rewriting the rules for Windows, Intel, and the PC industry. The Apple M5 chip is the fifth generation in the Apple Silicon lineup, succeeding the already dominant M4. It is built using 2nm architecture, a technological milestone that makes it the smallest, fastest, and most energy-efficient chip Apple has ever created. 2nm TSMC fabrication, more transistors, less power. Up to 16 CPU cores, 12 performance cores plus 4 efficiency cores. 40-core GPU, new Apple-designed architecture, pure graphical muscle. 32-core neural engine AI and ML tasks processed instantly. Unified memory architecture, UMA, seamless multitasking and rendering. This chip doesn't just outperform competitors, it obliterates benchmarks. Geekbench and Cinebench scores show double-digit performance gains over the M4 and power efficiency that makes fans almost obsolete. Apple claims that the M5 MacBook Pro is 50% faster than its predecessor, and third-party tests seem to confirm it. Whether you're a video editor, developer, or AI researcher, the M5 handles it with buttery-smooth responsiveness. Benchmark overview. Task M4 MacBook Pro M5 MacBook Pro % increase. 4K video rendering 12 minutes 7 minutes plus 71%. Xcode compilation 3 minutes 1.8 minutes plus 66%. Blender 3D scene render 10 minutes 5 minutes plus 100%. Adobe Lightroom batch 45 seconds 22 seconds plus 104%. If these numbers don't shock the industry, nothing will. The M5 chip runs the newly